Is your VW ID.4's alarm system going off randomly? You're not alone. Many owners have experienced false alarms due to the proximity antenna, interior sensors, or software glitches. These issues often manifest as random honking and flashing lights. The good news is that VW has released software updates like V3.4 and initiated recall campaigns to address these problems. The proximity antenna can be overly sensitive, triggering alarms when it detects nearby key fobs or interference. Interior sensors might also be set off by movement inside the car or even temperature fluctuations. Determine if your vehicle falls into recall or is eligible for the V3.4 update. Before contacting a dealer, try a software reset. Power off the car, remove the key fob, wait 5 minutes, then hold the unlock and lock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for 15 seconds. This often resolves temporary glitches. If the problem persists, the issue might be hardware-related, such as a faulty proximity antenna or interior sensor. In this case, schedule a service appointment to see if it can be repaired under warranty. For persistent issues, ensure your ID.4 has the latest software updates and that the interior sensors are correctly calibrated.